Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Joseph E-Classes. I am Anju Chopra, your math teacher. Today, I am going to teach you operation with large numbers. Children, you already know four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In this topic, I will teach you how to do all the operations together in one sum. Let us start exercise 4E. While we are doing all the operations together, we will follow the odd mass rule. Odd mass rule, okay? O means off, D means divide, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. In simplification, we will follow the order of odd mass rule. When we want to do particular operation before others, we put it within the brackets. Children, we will use two types of brackets. First bracket, parenthesis or round bracket. Second bracket is curly bracket or braces. While we are doing the simplification, first of all, we will open the round bracket and then curly bracket. Children, we can use the BODMAS rule also. In BODMAS rule, bracket is also given. Okay? In this, we have to follow bracket. First of all, we will open the bracket, then off. Off means multiplication. Then we will solve the division, multiplication, addition, and in last we will do the subtraction. If there are brackets, within brackets, simplify within the inner bracket first. That means if round and curly, both the brackets are given in one sum, first of all, we will solve the round brackets and after that curly brackets. Now children, we will start solving exercise 4E. Let us start. Question number 1. 869 multiply by 765120 divided by 960. Children, in this sum you can see two operations, multiplication and division. According to odd mass rule, O, D, M, A, S. First of all, we will do the division and then multiplication, right? First divide 765120 with 960. The answer is 797. Then do the multiplication. 869 multiplied by 797 and the answer is 692,593. Now children, let us see example 2. 9,000 divided by 45 of 20 plus 750 divided by 150. In this sum, you can see three operations. First is off, second is divide, and third one is addition. Right? According to odd mass rule, first of all, we will solve off. That means we will multiply 45 with 20. Answer is 900. Then Second operation is division. Divide 9000 with 900. Answer is 10. And 750 with 150. Answer is 5. Third operation, addition. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now children, see next example. 72 multiplied by 168 divided by 21 of 16. First of all, open the bracket. This is the odd mass rule, okay? Sorry, it is the BODMAS rule, bracket open, okay? That means first of all, multiply 72 with 168. Answer is 12096. Then solve off. Off means multiplication. 21 of 16, 336. Third operation is division and the answer is 36. Now children, in this question you can see two brackets, round bracket and curly bracket. According to the rule, first of all we will solve the round bracket and then curly bracket. Okay, now subtract 112 minus 78. Answer is 34. 17 multiplied by 34. Put the curly bracket. Do the multiplication and remove the curly bracket. Answer is 578 divided by 289 and the answer is 2. In this question, we can see two brackets, round bracket and curly bracket. We will solve round bracket first. 700 divided by 10, 12 multiplied by 8, 34 minus 10. All three numbers are in round bracket. Solve it first. 700 divided by 10, answer is 70. 12 multiplied by 8, answer is 96. Division sign. 34 minus 10, answer is 24. Now solve the curly bracket. 70 minus 96 divided by 24, answer is 4. 70 minus 4 is equal to 66. Now children, we will learn how to write true or false in simplification. In simplification sums, if is equal to sign is given, it means both the sides we have the same answer. Right? Now we will solve both the sides. First side is the left hand side. The question is 12 multiplied by 9 bracket closed minus 7. Right hand side 12 multiplied by bracket open 9 minus 7 bracket closed. Now first of all we will solve the left hand side. 12 multiplied by 9 is equal to 108 minus 7. Answer is 101. Now right hand side, first of all solve the bracket. 12 multiplied by 9 minus 7, 2. 12 2s are 24. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That's why the statement is false. Children, now we will solve the next example. 75 multiplied by 24 divided by 12 is equal to 75 multiplied by bracket open 24 divided by 12 bracket close. Left hand side, first of all do the division according to odd mass rule. Answer is 2. 75 2s are 150. Now solve the right hand side. First of all solve the bracket. 24 divided by 12. Answer is 2. 75 multiplied by 2 is equal to 150. Both the sides you will get the same answer. That's why the statement is true. Now children, note down the assignment and do all the parts neatly in your classwork copy. Question number 1, part A and B. Question number 2, part A. Question number 3, part A and B. Question number 4, part B and D. Question number 5, part A and C. Be safe in your houses. Thank you and have a nice day.